So today we're going to look at the Zeus Bluetooth headphones from Dudios. So I'd like to thank SoundPEATS Direct for sending me these Bluetooth headphones. So on the back of the package, it gives you a few of the specs. So it says it has a nano coating that protects your earbuds from sweat damage. It has APTX, which supports smooth transmission, and Wingtips. The company that sent these to review also make SoundPEATS Bluetooth headphones and Bluetooth speakers. So I'm hoping these sound just as good. So you can see here it comes with a couple different line clips, and it also comes with quite a few different wingtip sizes. It also comes with a fairly thick user guide. So currently on Amazon, there's 49 reviews and they're all 5-star. So I'm thinking these are gonna sound pretty good. So all you do is hold down the multi-function button and it's ready to be paired. So if you saw my other video on the SoundPEATS Q30 Bluetooth headphones, you're gonna notice quite a few similarities. For one, they look very similar. They both have magnets on the back. They are slightly different. You can see just a little bit more bezel on the Dudios. They even are about the same length. They even use the same line clips. One thing that is slightly different is how you control the headphones. It still has the same buttons, but you can see on the Dudios, it's just a little bit smaller and the buttons don't stick out as much. You can see the charging ports are in the same location, and you can tell the logos on the back are the same font. The SoundPEATS headphones actually sound pretty good, and these sound almost identical. Another good thing is once the headphones are connected, the volume is synced with your phone. The multi-function button you can use to play, pause. If you double tap the button, it'll bring up the Google Assistant if you're on Android, or if you're on iOS, Siri. Tell me another joke. I can't say that's their best joke, but the battery life is very similar to the SoundPEATS. It might be a hair better. I can get about 2 work days before I have to charge it. So if you're looking for some Bluetooth headphones under $30, I would definitely put these on your list. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you haven't already. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.